Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see swept cut option in SolidWorks 2020. So let's first try to create a sketch. As we are already in the sketching mode, I can select rectangle command and I have to draw a cube. So I will draw a rectangle of 150 mm by 150 mm. Then I can just exit from the sketching mode and again go to the features, that is extruded boss base. I select a mid-plane operation, so extrusion will occur on the both directions. Then I specify the distance of 150 mm. Then I click OK. You can see that I have created a cube. Now I can generate a reference plane from this face in the opposite direction. At a distance of 80 mm from this face. Now I can create a path for my swept cut operation on this plane. Suppose I choose a spline command and I selected a different points for generating the paths. For spline operation. So you can see that I have generated this path, but I will delete this and I will again draw this path. So in this way we can draw the path for swept cut operation, and now we can exit from the sketching mode. Now again we can hide this plane. We can select this face, start sketching on this face. We can draw now a circle of 20 mm diameter on this face, and now we can select this point and select this arc, and we can apply the coincident relationship or concentric relationship. So we'll try to delete one of this relationship. Now we can exit from the sketching mode. Now we can see the swept cut option over here. Now here we can select the profile as a sketch profile, circular profile and solid profile. Now we'll try to understand what do you mean by solid profile in our separate video tutorial. Now we'll understand the top two options, that is sketch profile and circular profile. So I have sketched this profile, which is circular profile. Again I can select that profile. I can now select a path, that is this path, and then also I can provide guide curves. So we have seen how to provide guide curves in our video tutorial on swept boss base and also in loft boss base. Now we can also select guide curves. We can also specify the options, that is profile orientation option and profile twist options. We can also provide start and end tangency options. We can also apply thin feature to this cut operation. We can also control the curvature. We can also show the mesh preview. We can also show the zebra strips. We can also show the curvature counts. Now we'll try to close all these options and we'll try to focus on how to create operations. So we have selected a profile and we have selected a path. So now just click OK. Now you can see we have created this hollow path inside this cube. Now we can see this. We have to just select this section view options and we can select the different planes from here. If you select this plane, it is not good option. You can select this plane. Now you can see over here, this is our path. So you can see we have created this cavity like shape inside our cube. So in this way we can provide the path for swept cut and also the profile for the swept cut, and it will create a operation accordingly. You can also view this operation by different angles by using section view option. Now I will deselect this option and you can see that we have created a hollow cavity through this cube from one face to another face. So in this way we can work with swept cut operation inside a SolidWorks 2020. That's all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorials, we are going to see how to use body to cut the swept operation inside a SolidWorks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.